Good morning, one and all. I am Arshad Pasha, and it is my second bot build. Totally, two bot has built. My project name is Auto Excel Mail. College name Sheshadipuram Degree College, Mysore. And it is a small thought from my heart. I have said it. I can and I will. You can and you will. It is my thought. So let's see. I have completed the four diplomas of the completion. Introduction to RPA and automation, and build your first automation with StudioX. Get started with the citizen development journey, and also UiPath Citizen Development Hackathon India 2023. I have completed this four diploma of completion. So let's see what are the queries which help for you. My project name is Auto Excel Mail. Working title number one. Introduction to my project. My project name is Auto Excel Mail. It is it will extract the data from the website and it will paste to the Excel file. I will show you in the next previous I go for the StudioX application. Let's It is very useful for the individual and organization. It is morely it is very important for the organization, and it will it has included you have given the seven automations. You should use some three cases, but I have used some four cases. I mean five cases. UI and browser and Excel and mail and fail five. Sorry, UI browser Excel mail file automations I have used. Okay, let's see the what the problem it will solve. Capability of extracting a data table from the website and from any platform. It can be extracted from anywhere. It will help us. It is the so it will solve our problem, and it acts a pop-up to select the file. Okay, it has ability to get the data from the website and saving to the Excel file. By using the Excel and browser and file automation, it will do the work. And lastly, I will send the email which is the attachment of the same file. I will show it at the next StudioX application. The project number auto Excel mail working data number 2. Second page is, yeah, the main points and pain points are there. The main points are there. When we run the project, it will welcome to Excel and mail automation. It is a each other automation has unique process. Excel automation will extract the data and table from the website automatically. I have said already, and it will give the pop-up of selecting of the file to get the user easily to understand the user easily. Email automation. Email automation will send the email with attachment. I have said it. I have used the five automations. I have marked it in within yellow mark. You can see that. And what would be benefit for the organization and the individual? Yeah, yes, it will solve the problem for the of the organization. It reduce the workload of the employee. It is a main point of the any companies or a workflow of the employee. So thank you. Let's jump for the Studex application, and I will explain the everything what I'm doing, what I did my project. So here we go. I have entered to my Studio X. I have entered. So I will I will show the what I have activities I have used, and you can see I have used the Excel file automations. And when I go down, writing data the extra writing data table to the extra Excel, using the Chrome browser to opening the Gmail and browse for the file, SMTP because to send the file. Lastly, as a message pop up as a email has sent successfully. So let's start without without wasting your time. So it has started. Studio X application has did minimize everything. Will welcome us to us. So it is giving them pop-up. Yeah. Welcome to Excel and Mail Pro Automation. So when I click on OK, it will open the Chrome browser. Here we go. The Chrome browser is opening. Yeah, it is loading the website of our Sheshadipuram Degree College. It takes a little bit time. I will pause this. I will pause or do I will skip or do some fast mode to become for you easy. So you can see here there is a table, a lot of table. Uh, the UI path will be copy this and it will paste to the Excel file. I hope the process is running on. But first of all, I will show the Excel file. You can see this file. I'll open it. You can see that the file is empty. Just a minute. You can see that the file is empty right away. The file is empty. Where is the Chrome browser? I hope it is. Yeah, you can see it has automatic. It has filled. You have seen. I not did anything. You can see it automatically have filled everything. I did not did anything. So after it will give a pop up. No, it will not give a pop up. It will go for direct for the Chrome browser. It will open the Gmail because of sending of the attachment of the file. So it is opening automatically. Let it be. It opening. After it opens, I will show the email which has today. I will today date is 7th. There is a 4th August last email message. I will send and there is a pop up. I think yeah, the pop up is waiting for me. Just a minute. I will close this Excel file. If I not close, it will give some error. You know that. Yeah. Okay. I will share this data table. You can see here same file, same Excel file. I'm sending for the email. I will and when I click on open, it will send. It will give a pop up which has email has sent successfully. Till that I will wait for it. Yeah. You can see that email has sent successfully. So when I click on OK, the section will be closed. Till that I will show you within email. Let's you can see here we go. The time is 10:12. You can see here 10:12. When I open it, the attachment file has inside in there. You can see here itself. As you can see here, attachment file is in there. One attachment file is there. So it is the my process that after last okay when I click on OK, it will go for the Studio X application. It will redirect for the Studio X. Taking a little bit time. Yeah, it will now give you the last run is successful. Till that I will wait it. Last run is successful. Okay. Thank you so much for the Hackathon and ITC Academy and those education policy have included in this. So thank you for those also to providing this the best opportunity to learn the UI path. This is a automation to learn this automation. Thank you so much. I will ending this section. Thank you and bye bye.